All right, YouTube, on the table is my Kraton 8S, and that wheel is not supposed to look like that. We took a tumble-wumble in the last video, but in this video, we got the new M2C Racing chassis for Kraton 8S. It should be worth its weight in gold, reinforced 7075 aluminum. Let's go. All right, step one, knock all the dirt off of it. Step two, order the parts you need. Step three, take this chassis off and reassemble it like the $6 million man. So I called Avery at M2C Racing. I said, hey man, I need a Kraton 8S chassis. He said it'll be there in 3 days. Let's assess the damage together. You can see here a clear bend in the chassis. We also broke the B block, so we'll just replace them all. And this pin, it's bent, so we'll replace all of these too. Oh snap, I almost forgot I had these I'm gonna throw at it. New center for the transmission case and the motor mount. Let's go. And if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. From a 5'7".